In The Wizard of Oz, Dorothy sings which famous song? Moon River. Over the rainbow. My heart will go on. Tomorrow. The correct answer is over the rainbow. Because they are gentle, slow-moving giants that love to graze on underwater grass all day, what marine animal is often affectionately called a sea cow? A walrus, a sea lion, a hippopotamus, a manatee. The correct answer is a manatee. The human tongue can contain up to 10,000 what? Salivary glands, taste buds, nerve endings, hair follicles. The correct answer is taste buds. There are 12 pairs of nerves attached to the brain. What are they called? Spinal nerves, cranial nerves, sensory nerves, motor nerves. The correct answer is cranial nerves. What is the capital city of the United Kingdom? London, Manchester, Dublin, Birmingham. The correct answer is London. How many main phases does the moon go through in each lunar cycle? 6, 8, 10, 12. The correct answer is 8. The sweeping romance and drama of the classic story Gone with the Wind takes place against the backdrop of which major historical conflict? The American Civil War, the American Revolution, World War I, the Great Depression. The correct answer is the American Civil War. When pasta is cooked so that it's firm to the bite, what is this texture called? Al dente, risotto, carbonara, picante. The correct answer is al dente. Which joint is capable of full 360-degree rotation? Knee, hip, shoulder, wrist. The correct answer is shoulder. In business, what does the abbreviation CFO stand for? Chief Finance Officer, Chief Financial Officer, Corporate Finance Operator, Chief Funding Official. The correct answer is Chief Financial Officer. What is the second largest organ in the human body, after the skin? Heart, liver, brain, lungs. The correct answer is liver. Which planet in our solar system has the strongest gravitational pull? Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune. The correct answer is Jupiter. What was Ladin's job in Greek mythology, guarding the garden of the Hesperides? Their pet, their child, their sibling, their guardian. The correct answer is their guardian. Which Formula One legend holds the record for the most world championships? Michael Schumacher, Lewis Hamilton, Ayrton Senna, Sebastian Vettel. The correct answer is Michael Schumacher. Which literary legend transported us to the magical town of Macondo in 100 Years of Solitude? Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Frida Kahlo, Jane Austen, Louisa May. The correct answer is Gabriel Garcia Marquez.